Hi there and welcome to a quick vid. I'm going to be installing some wiper blades. I'm doing the BOSCH AEROTWIN AR608S. They're going on my new Jaguar XJ, the x350. So I only noticed this part way through, but what you need to do is swap this little nozzle from one side to the other. You have to have it on the top side of the wiper, so slide that out from one side and you have to swap it so it is on the upper side of the wiper. I'm trying my best with the camera here, but it slides on like that and it clicks. Just a bit of a warning, maybe wear gloves for this. The plastic is super sharp, as you can see. Okay, so old blade removed. I'm afraid I didn't film that, so sorry about that, but there's the pipe. You can see a sort of hook. Part of the unique X350 design is that the wiper blades don't really fold all the way up, as far as I can tell. So there's a little clip on the BOSCH blades. You press together like that, it levers up. And then you can see that there's a sort of rounded part. That's where the hook of the wiper blade is going to go round. I'll try and demo it as best as possible, but I do have to cut away. You can see the hook there. This levers up. It goes through that sort of archway that's created there. So lift up, through there. That hooks round the little round part there. Again, this is fiddly, but hopefully you can use your common sense. So it flips over like that. You have to push it all the way on. I had to use both hands. It's slightly stiff. Raising the wiper helped a bit as well. There's a close-up of the mechanism, and you pull it sort of towards you so it clicks in place. So there it is in place. You click, make sure it's in nice and snug like that. Click that back down. As you can see, I've got the nozzle on the northmost part. And then you just push the little rubber hose on there as snugly as possible. It took quite a bit of effort to pull it off the old blade, but that's a good thing, I suppose.